Welcome back to Better Kansas City. So from skin to fashion, it's a roundup of what spring has to offer. Now it's time to glow all out. Stylist Walla is here with a preview of the fashion and beauty experience coming to Town Center. So first of all, what is this lifestyle event Glow All Out about?
So it's everything. It's about fashion, it's about style, it's about wellness, it's about health, it's about beauty and hair. It's kind of an all immersive, everything to do with beauty all in one. We've built these beautiful immersive galleries. We have this huge production tent out in the parking lot. Definitely does not feel or look like a parking lot. It's a very glamorous, luxurious experience.
Okay, well this is perfect because I think Kansas City, we've been stuck in winter for so long.
Yeah.
It's time to update that makeup and of course that fashion. And you actually brought some looks with you today.
I did. So these are some of the looks that we'll be seeing on the runway. First up, we have this great like pop of color. So we've got a nautical feel with the navy and the white blazer, but we just kind of popped it with this beautiful fuchsia sweater, fuchsia heels. Super on trend for spring. Obviously, we threw in the white to keep it fresh. Who's not ready for spring, right?
And what about those pink earrings? That just really matches.
Kendra Scott pink earrings kind of just pulls the whole look together. I think it works all really well. It's about kind of repeating the colors within the outfit.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now, let's also talk about what are some of the other big trends we're seeing besides this pop of color?
I mean, spring means floral, right?
Yeah.
So we've got this great floral dress. Again, bright, bold colors, but it's just very feminine, very flirty. Obviously, all the ruffles. We've just kind of paired it with a great white sandal, a great pink bag. It's easy breezy. You don't have to worry too much with a dress like this. You just kind of throw it on and head out the door.
And let's talk about this, right? The shoe's amazing, and so is that pink handbag. You know, how can accessories really bring us into the spring culture?
So it's a lot of fun with the accessories. Start pairing maybe instead of your browns or your blacks that we were doing for the fall, start doing lighter colors like whites and pinks to transition your accessories into the season.
Okay, so the floral look, amazing. Thank you so much. But what are some also surprising trends of the spring that maybe we wouldn't expect?
Fun, surprising trends. Actually, one of our guys' trends is the white sneaker, right? All the guys now are rocking the white sneaker. This great look is from Modern Society. Again, we're kind of keeping with the floral. This has a palm print pattern on the shirt, but we've kind of paired it with this great orange sweater around the waist. It's all about keeping things a lot more fresh, a lot more light, but still looking like you put forth an effort and put together.
Well, that's awesome. You know, but what fabrics and fits should we be looking at for springtime?
So you still want things to fit properly. They don't have to be too tight. They don't have to be too loose, but look for something that is cotton or natural. Don't look for synthetic fibers. Make sure that they're fibers that breathe so that you can live through the spring into the summer.
Okay, and we just saw the male rocking that white sneaker trend. You know, can we still do like white head to toe or before Labor Day?
Absolutely. So the no white before Labor Day, common misconception in the fashion world. You can do white head to toe. If you're gonna do it strategically. Do it so that it's placed right, and really do it so that the fit works for you.
Okay, well, Walla, thank you so much for all of our fashion insight. And of course, that event seems like so much fun. Again, Glow All Out is April 25th through the 27th from 4 in the evening until 8 at the north parking lot of Town Center Plaza. There's live tutorials and more. Tickets range in price from $10 to $40. Bill?